Have you ever been stood up for a date? Oh, so sad. When you get stood up for a date, in this case, a missed appointment, what you don't want to do is call up and put negativity on the customer. It looks like you missed your appointment. Would you like to reschedule? Don't do that. Call them like they are still coming in. Call them with a positive attitude. Call them like it is no big deal. If you were meeting your friend for dinner and they were running late, would you call your friend and say, "Well, it looks like you missed your dinner appointment with me. Would you like to reschedule?" No. You would call them and you would say, "Hey, I'm sitting in the bar waiting for you. Where are you at?" You would treat them like they were still coming in. You would treat them like they were just running late. Have this type of energy with a missed appointment. 5 minutes after the customer misses their appointment, call them up. "Hey buyer, it is Kyle from the dealership. I'm outside right now looking for you. Have you pulled up yet?" And when you have that type of energy, they're either going to say, "I'm running late," or they're going to say, "Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry," fill in the blank. And then you can reset the appointment. Stop calling missed appointments like they just kicked your dog. Stop calling missed appointments with a terrible attitude. Call them with excitement. Call them like you believed they were coming in and you're just outside waiting for them. And when you have this type of positive energy, it makes it so much easier to reschedule things. Don't wait until tomorrow. Call them when they're 5 minutes late, put a big smile on your face, and treat them like they're still coming in.